Hi aspirants, this is NLR Commerce Academy. So today we have taken regression analysis example problems, how to calculate regression equations y on x and x on y. So example 1, the following shows the ages, the factor is x and the blood pressure was y of 8 persons. So x is equal 8 person ages also they are given 52, 63, 45, 36, 72, 65, 47, 25, and y is related to the blood pressure of 8 persons 62, 53, 51, 25, 79, 43, 60, 33. So obtain the regression equation of y on x and find the expected blood pressure of a person who is 49 years old. That means x is given 49 years old. We have calculated blood pressure for y factor. So solution, calculation of regression equation of y on x. So we have taking x values as the question 52, 63, 45, 36, 72, 65, 47, 25. These total values is summation of x is equal 405. So next we have calculated dx. Dx is equal to x minus a. Dx is equal to x minus a. So x values are given already, but a means assumed mean. We have taken a means assumed mean. A is equal to 50. So x minus 50. So 52 minus 50 is equal to plus 2. 63 minus 50 is equal to plus 13. 45 minus 50 is equal to minus 5, 36 minus 50 is equal to minus 14, 72 minus 50 is equal to plus 22, 65 minus 50 is equal to plus 15, 47 minus 50 is equal to minus 3, 25 minus 50 is equal to minus 25. So total plus values also plus and minus values also minus. So total summation of dx is equal to 5. So next we have calculated dx square. So dx square is equal to dx into dx. So dx values 2, 13, 5, 14, 22, 15, 3, 25 is already we have calculated. These values are square. 2 means 2 square, 2 into 2, 4, 13 square, 13 into 13, 169. So plus into plus, plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, but plus into minus, minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. So minus 5 square is equal to minus 5 into minus 5, 25, minus 14 into minus 14, 196, 22 into 22, 484, 15 into 15, 225, 3 into 3, 9, 25 into 25, 625. Total summation of dx square is equal to 1737. So next y, it is related to blood pressure. So y also given in the question 62, 53, 51, 25, 79, 43, 60, 33. So this total is 406. Summation of y is equal to 406. So next we have calculated same y minus 50. So a is equal to assumed mean y minus a. 62 minus 50 plus 12, 53 minus 50 plus 3, 51 minus 50 plus 1, 25 minus 50 minus 25, 79 minus 50 plus 29, 43 minus 50 minus 7, 60 minus 50 plus 10, 33 minus 50, 17 minus 17. So total summation of dy is equal to 6. The next, so same as to is dx square. We have calculated dy square, dy into dy. 12 square 144, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 25 square 625, 29 square 841, 7 square 49, 10 square 100, 17 square 80, 289. So summation of dy square is equal to 2058. So dx dy means dx into dy. Dx is equal to plus 2, dy is equal to plus 12. 2 into 12, 24. 13 into 3, 39. 5 into 1, minus 5, because minus into plus minus. Minus 14 into minus 25 plus 350, plus 22 into plus 29 plus 638, plus 15 into minus 7 minus 105, minus 3 into plus 10 minus 30, minus 25 into minus 17 plus 425. So total summation of dx dy is equal to 1336. So we have calculated formula y on x. Y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. So we have calculated first x bar and y bar. Y bar is equal to summation of y by n. N is equal to 8. summation of y is equal 406. 406 by 8 is equal 50.75. X bar is equal to summation of x by n. Summation of x 405 by n is equal 8. 405 by 8 is equal 50.625. Then next we have calculated r into sigma y by sigma x formula. N into sigma dx dy minus into summation of dx into summation of dy by n into summation of dx square minus summation of dx whole square. So n is equal to 82. Summation of dx dy 1336 minus summation of dx 5, summation of dy 6 by n is equal to 82. Summation of dx square is equal 1737 minus summation of dx whole square is equal to 5 square. So 8 into 1336 10,688. 5 into 6 30. 8 into 1737 13,896. 5 into 5 25. So is equal 0.768. That is, so installation of y minus y bar is equal r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is equal 50.75 is equal sigma y by sigma x. That means r into sigma y by sigma x is equal 0.768 in bracket x minus x bar. X bar is equal 50.625. So we have calculated 0.768 into x is equal 0.768x minus 0.768 into 50.625 is equal 38.88. So y minus 50.75 is equal 0.768 into minus 38.88. So minus 50.75 value is taken by the right side, at that time plus value is there. So minus 38.88 plus 50.75 is equal 11.87. So y is equal 11.87 plus 0.768x. So x value is given in the question. X is equal 49 age. So y is equal 11.87 plus 0.768 into x. So x is equal 49. 0.768 into 49 plus 11.87 is equal 49.5. So thus the expected blood pressure of a person who is 49 years old shall be 49.5. That is the next example 2 we have taken. In the correlation study, the following values are obtained. Mean of x is equal to 65, y is equal to 67. Standard deviation of x is equal to 2.5, y is equal to 3.5. Coefficient of correlation is equal to 0.8. That means the relation between the x and y is 0.8. So find the two regression equations that are associated with the above values. Two regression equations means y on x and x on y. So we can first the two regression equations are regression equation of x on y is equal x minus x bar is equal r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. So x bar is equal to 65, r is equal to 0.8, sigma x is equal to 2.5, sigma y is equal to 3.5, y bar is equal to 67. X bar means mean of x 65, r means correlation between the x and y. So r adi, that is r is equal to 0.8. Sigma x is equal standard deviation of x 2.5, sigma y is equal to standard deviation of y is equal to 3.5. Mean of y is equal to y bar is equal to 67. So substituting the values, x minus x bar is equal to 65 is equal r is equal to 0.8 into sigma x 2.5 by sigma y 3.5 into y minus y bar is equal to 67. So x minus 65 is equal 0.8 into 2.5 by 3.5 is equal to 0.5714 into y minus 67. So 0.5714 into y is equal 0.5714 y minus 0.5714 into 67 is equal minus 38.28 or x is equal 26.72 plus 0.5714y. So this is calculated taken. X minus 65 is equal 0.5714y minus 38.28. At that time, left side minus 65 value is taken to the right side. At that time, minus 38.28 plus minus is equal plus, so plus 65 minus 38.28 plus 65 is equal 26.72. So x is equal 26.72 plus 0.5714y. This is the equation of x on y. Next, same as it is taken, regression equation of y on x. So y minus y bar is equal to 67 is equal to r 0.8 sigma y, standard deviation of y is equal to 3.5 by sigma x, standard deviation of x is equal to 2.5 into x minus x bar 65. So 5 minus 67 is equal to 1.12, 0.8 into 3.5 by 2.5 is equal to 1.12 into x minus 65. So 1.12 into x is equal 1.12 x minus 1.12 into 65 is equal minus 72.8. So y minus 67 is equal 1.12 x minus 72.8. At that time we have taken minus 67, left side item is taken to the right side. So minus 67 is called plus 67. So minus 72.8 plus 67, minus 72.8 plus 67 is equal minus 5.8. So y is equal 1.12 x minus 5.8. This is the calculation of regression equations. Thank you. For more updates, subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please like.